Now I'm going to create an index for it and work on it. Okay, what we can see, what difference does it make? Okay, now we will create a new query. Okay, just creating a new query. Okay, now we will create a new query tab. Okay, here we have created new query tab, and now I'm going to use the example database. Okay, just executing this database. Yes, I am going to use it and creating a new table, and the table is similar as example C. I just copying these row. Okay, and just pasting. Sorry, just copying the action, just pasting. See, I am creating a table that is everything like the previous table, but I just changing the table name as opt1. Okay, and you have to add another one line here. Okay, what is that line? Create index. See how to create index. You have to use create index and index name, like index email. Just I'm creating email syntax. Okay, so create index idx on the table name. Next, what table does that exist? Okay, so opt1, in the opt1 table, which attribute? Email attribute. Okay, email attribute, I have just created the index, and then you can close, and here to close. Okay, once you have closed and execute these all queries, see, now email is created. Okay, so wait, the same data, I doesn't change any of the data. I just going to insert the same data that provided in that previous opt table. Okay, just see the similar data, it doesn't change anything. excelva@gmail.com bb. Okay, I just going to execute it. See, now I'm going to showcase you. See, select star from opt. Okay, just see opt1. Okay, I just going to execute these queries. Opt1. Okay, oh sorry, I got just copy action and paste here. Okay, see, I just forgotten the table name, change table name, option 1. Okay, that's our table. So just going to create. Okay, the data are created here, and I'm going to display the data. Okay, right. Okay, just going to display this, and we have these data. Okay, and again I'm going to display this. Oh sorry. Okay, see, you name. Okay, to start. See, this is executed because I two times I have added this. Okay, so we also here add data here too. Okay, just inserting many data, so you can find how does you are optimizing the code, you can find this. Okay, so just I'm adding another data to opt1 similar data, so I just going to enter the query. See, now see, both the table contains similar data. Okay, check, see, query 1, the same data, and query 2, but we can find the difference in the efficiency of these two queries. Okay, how can we check? I'm going to explain. See, and I need the data where the email should be AAA. Okay, so just see, AAA@gmail.com. AAA@gmail.com email should be present alone. Okay, so I'm just going to see, select star from option, where my email should be AAA at gmail.com. Just close it. Okay, see, the same instruction I am going to give here. Okay, I just going to remove these and just presenting it here, and you can now I'm going to run both, and it will gmail.com option one where email equal to @gmail.com. okay, so wait a minute. So sorry I didn't give .com. So @gmail. okay, and you can cut this and you can run this query. Okay, see, two datas. Okay, again here I'm going to run this. Okay, two data. Here it shows 0.000 seconds, and here also it shows 0.00 seconds. Okay, this is few data, just 4 data are present in my database. Usually the MySQL databases are more efficiency, so we doesn't have any idea about how these queries are efficient. Okay, we can find it using the explain keyword. Okay, this explain keyword will explain these query, what does happen really in this query. Okay, so in both example I'm going to use explain query. Okay, now you can see the difference here. Okay, see, the same I am going to okay, right here you can see. Okay, see, id. Okay, this is id number 1. Okay, just it shows just id. This id does not refers to our id, it just explaining these, what does this line explain. So that's id, and the select type is simple. Okay, in the further videos we will see different types. Here just it's a simple type, and the table name is opt. That's optimize, we have just used opt. Okay, that's a table name, and this partition will be seen in next lecturers. P1, P2, P3 we will separate the data, and the type, this is also you will see. The main thing is here you can see in the opt the rows 4. Okay, and in which table we have created the email index. Okay, I think we have created the email index here, right? See, it uses. So here the data is filtered 25%, which means it will check each of the rows. See, it refers 4 rows and filtered the 2 elements here. Okay, how I see, it will check the 4 rows. If we remove these data, okay, I just remove these data, it will see 4 rows has been we asked 4 rows, so it recognized all the 4 rows and filtered the data. It's 100% efficiency. But when we want to select a particular query, I just given a single name, and when I run these queries, see, now it filtered 20%, 25% only the data. These lines are efficient because we don't use a index file. Okay, let's check it here. I'm just going to run. Okay, see here the simple table opt1 table, it's a type is a reference table. Okay, I just index the email and it will be refer these. The possible keys are like index email is our index. What's the index for email? idx underscore email. So the reference will be done through these, and the key length will be 802, and this will be according to the MySQL database, it will be encrypted these keys. Okay, and here see the filtering percentage is 100%. So how we are using a index, it will complete your query, which means the efficiency of the query will be 100% when you use indexing. Okay, if you don't index your values, it will just show 25% of efficiency in 4 rows, and I have to display any the email @gmail.com. Okay, so what does it means? It will check all the rows which are present in the table and finally displays what are the values present in here. But here it will just check the email index. Okay, so I have indexed email, so it will only check the email that contains at Gmail. So these content where the email column contains, it will just print the link. Okay, this is one type of optimizing your code. And another type, as I told, you can just give id uname. Just I need id and uname of the id and uname of the customer, or it just filters 100% rows, but it just displays these contents alone. Okay, and as you can check here, it will display. And when you have to do different attributes, you have to give commas. Okay, see, it's also again checks filters 25 filter, but the columns it will quickly display, because we just I use id and uname, it doesn't display the email column and I don't need it. So this is also a optimizing technique. Okay, you can I have just teaching you that how to optimize the queries in two types, and one is index and one is selective attributes which have to be displayed. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will continue my MySQL query optimizing lecture next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.